In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you need to scroll down to pick a perfect theme for you. When you find it, click on it. Following that, you can use this switcher to operate keyboards, and then click on Apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it, go back to the same settings, and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboards thanks to the same switcher and hit Apply. If you want to edit your customized keyboard, click on Color Palette again. Tap on your theme and use this pen icon at the top right corner to make all of your changes. Then hit Apply one more time. If you want to get rid of any of your themes, click on the same icon one more time. Tap on any theme you wish to delete and use this bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!